Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Claudette. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel. And guys, don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And in today's video, guys, I'll be sharing with you some of the stuff I bought for my home during the pandemic. I was renovating, so I bought a lot of stuff from Amazon. So guys, as I told you in my previous video, I just started YouTube, and I was learning a lot of stuff, learning to edit, learning to put the stuff in the description box. So I just finally know how to put the stuff in the description box. So now I'm going to show you some of the stuff I bought pre-pandemic for my home. So I'm going to show you them and link them in the description box. So if that interests you, keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first item is the kitchen faucet. This one comes in gold and black. I'll also buy the gold as well, but I put it in the other kitchen on the other side, so I can't show you that. But if you, I'm gonna put this in the description box. So if you're gonna buy it, then if you like it, you could go and look at the gold as well. So this is the black and gold, and I buy the gold as well, and both of them is very pretty. I think the gold one is more looking modern. This look more traditional, but I think the gold one look more modern. Yeah, so that's it. This is how I style it right here by my kitchen. Guys, this is the bathroom faucet. So this is what I got also, and this is in the gold, and I bought this in the black as well. That one I could show you. So this is a bathroom faucet. Guys, this is very pretty. So this is how it looks. I could show you from the side. This one is very modern. I think the black one look more traditional. So this is how it looks. And as I said, I bought this at Amazon, and I'll put the description box in, and I'll put this in the description box. And I bought this in the black as well, so I'm going to show you the black. Guys, I'm wearing a Jamaican dress. It's so big, I have to put my belt on. It is so big, guys. It looks so big, but you know, I'm working with it. I have to put the belt on, so oh well. But this is it, guys. Okay guys, so this is the next one. This is, I'll do it from the side. I think this one look more traditional. So this is the black one. Guys, I showed you the gold one I use also. So this is the black. You put it on from here. You just turn it, you turn it back. This is the black and gold. Black and gold, and I bought gold. Okay guys, so the next item I bought was this Chanel book. So this is how I style it. I style it in my room between two chairs and with a table, and I put the book on top, and I bought this to put right there. And I just style it right here and just put the book, so whenever I'm ready, I just could sit and read. Yeah. So this is how I style it. Guys, and the next item was this chain link. I bought this chain link as well at Amazon. So this, guys, this was going, I can't quite remember what this was going, but guys, now the price for this now is like 3 times what I bought it for. I can't quite remember, but I know it wasn't that too expensive. So this is what, and I'll link it down below, and I'm not sure what the price is going for now, so I'll link it down below in the description box. So this is I just bought the chain link. I bought the Tom Ford book at HomeSense. So this is how I style the chain link. Okay guys, this tray, I also buy this tray as well during the pandemic. So this is an item I bought from Amazon, and this is how I style it. I just put this, I put this right here, and then I put this right here, and this is how I style it. I style it in my living room. So this is how I have it. It's a tray, so I just put it right, it's right on top of my fireplace, and this is how I style it right here. Just put it right there in the middle, and that's it. So this is the tray. Okay guys, I also buy this. It's a candle lighter. I bought this at Amazon as well, and I bought this. It's a set of a set of 4. It comes with the stand, like the holder, the trimmer. I'm not sure what this is, and this is to get the candle out. This to get the candle out, and this is the trimmer. I know that. But this candle, my friend daughter was making it during the pandemic, so I just buy one and patronize her. You know, as we in Jamaica, we say patronize. So I just buy one just to support. So this is the candle. I don't know if she's still I don't think she's still doing it. No, she went back to school. So this is the candle, and this is the thing to out the candle. Take the candle out. This is the lighter. To light the candle, and this comes with a charger. Yeah, that comes with a charger, guys. And this is the to trim the candle. I'm not sure what that is, but that's, and guys, and you know my book stand. I talk about my book stand in one annex all I just did. So yeah, and I style it right here. Right there. I put my cookbook there, and then I put the candle here, and that's how I style it. And the last item, guys, I'll be showing you is the chandelier I bought. I put it in my office, so it's right here, and I'll link it in the description box. I'm not sure what the price is going for now because this is pre-pandemic, so this is how it looks. It's like, it's very modern, so that's how it looks. So I'm gonna link it in the description box below, and yeah guys, so that's it. So yeah, that's it. Okay guys, so that's all for now. So if I find anything else, I'll link it in the description box below, and let you see what I bought. But I'll do a next video. As I said, I'll do a next video. A lot of stuff that I bought pre-pandemic before I start doing YouTube, and I'll link them below. So I'll do a next video, and so I'll make up a next video because I don't want this to be long. So guys, this is the end of the video. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel. And guys, don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. So I see you in my next video, guys. Bye.